This is one of my daughter's rooms. I am going to start filling up this room with some of the craft items that I'm taking out of my craft room. So I have all of this space, I have this desk, I have the bed. I'm going to start removing my stuff and putting it in here.
Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. We are in day one of overhaul my craft room, and I've decided that I'm going to start in this corner and work my way around and get everything moved out of here so that I can start to bring back the things that I'm planning to use. I welcome you to go on this journey with me. I'm going to tell you that I'm very nervous and anxious about this. This feels like a big task because I do have a lot of stuff. This is going to be very vulnerable for me because you are getting ready to see what's in these bins and everything that's usually behind the camera and out of sight. If you find this helpful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Now, as I get started, what you'll notice is I am moving everything out of this craft room. I'm going to start here. I'm going to show you what's in these bins, and then I'm going to start to move them over to my daughter's room. I have two rooms up here that I can move the stuff until I find the permanent place for it and the right bins and cabinets and everything. So these videos will be made in multiple parts. The second part of this video will be another part of the room, and we'll continue until we have everything out that I don't need for recording. Let's get started. Let's get right into it. So in this first container right here, all of my containers are clear because I like to be able to see what's in them. This is all glitter vinyl. It's just rolls and rolls and rolls of glitter vinyl. Every color you can think of, every size, cut sheets, rolls, all glitter vinyl. All of this right here is fabric and faux leather, everything that I have used with my embroidery machine. It's just different pieces of fabric, fat quarters, zippers, buckles and straps, faux leather. This is all faux leather and fabric. This right here is rhinestone. These are rhinestone templates. Here's a bling brush. This is transfer tape. What is this? Oh, this is a bag. These are bags that I pressed that turned out orange. Probably gonna try to maybe do something on the back. This is trash. An empty container for my rhinestones, a feather duster, a bling scoop. I have to get these templates organized, but these are all of my rhinestone templates. They started out great and now it's not so great. This is the box for my glue gun. It's trash. Also trash. This is heat transfer vinyl. It's various cut pieces of heat transfer vinyl. It's not glitter heat transfer vinyl. It's flock, it's diamond dust, it's just various kinds. It's puff. It's just multiple kinds of regular heat transfer vinyl. And that container right there is also heat transfer, that's glitter heat transfer vinyl. and those are mostly scraps. Everything in there has been cut, so none of those are full rolls. This one has some full rolls and some cut sheets. I am going to get these moved to the room, and I'm going to clean the baseboards back there and vacuum right here. Over here, I do use my Caesar Romeo every week, so I'm keeping this over here. This flock and that transfer tape is going to be moved for now. I'm also going to move this heat press and the stand. I'm going to move all of this stuff too, and all of those mats. And I'm probably going to take some of this stuff down too until I figure out where I want it to go. In order to make this process go a little smoother, I actually used a wagon to start moving all of those containers and just try to get under there and get the small pieces. I took, time just moving all of the stuff to one of my daughter's room, and I wasn't really cautious about where I placed it. My goal was just to get everything put in the room. Continuing with this table, when it was time for me to move that heat press, for some reason I just couldn't pick it up, so I needed my husband to come and help me, and he did. Continue to clean under the table and vacuum and get all the stuff moved to the room, and by the time I finished moving everything, this is what my daughter's room looked like. And after I got everything put in here, it was time to start organizing it, getting the shirts and the sweatshirts and all the things folded so that I could really get into the organization process. What I'm doing right here is sorting the shirts by size and by whether they are used or not. So some of these on the left are blanks. I know you can see the red tape on the bed. I kind of just marked off spaces for small, medium, large, etc. And then the rest of the stuff on the right side, these are shirts that I've actually made, and I am just getting them folded so that I can get them put away. I'm actually going to donate a lot of this stuff. All right, we have come to the end of day one. Day one was just about taking the stuff out of this area right here. I haven't decided if I'm going to move all this stuff off the wall. The thought of that makes me feel anxious, so I decided not to do it today. But this area, my craft room, is definitely under construction, and that is what I'll leave this video with. If you did find this helpful in any way, please remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for notifications, because I do upload new content every single week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.